Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you, we discuss with you, how to use Nova Lift Eye Patches Anti-Aging Mask. So, you might be wondering, what is this Nova Lift Eye Patches you may be hearing online or seeing online? So, Nova Lift Eye Patches, also marked as microglow patches here, are single-use under eye patches with dissolving microtips designed to help improve the appearance of fine lines, wrinkles, dark circles, puffiness, and dry skin around the eyes. Now, according to the Fish website here, the patches itself deliver skincare ingredients directly to the upper layers of the skin using tiny dissolving microtips instead of a traditional cream or gel. The company states that the formula contains ingredients such as hyaluronic acid, peptides, niacinamide, retinol, and ceramides, which are commonly used in skincare for hydration, improving the appearance of aging skin. Now, according to the manufacturer here, the dissolving microtips gently penetrate the surface of the skin after being pressed into place. As they dissolve, they release the active ingredients into the under eye area. The company claims that this delivery allows the ingredients to absorb more effectively than standard topical products, helping improve hydration, smooth the appearance of fine lines, reduce puffiness, and brighten dark circles over time. Now, using the patches is quite straightforward here. You want to start with a clean, dry skin before bedtime. Place one patch underneath the eye or each eye and gently press for about like 10 to 20 seconds. So the micro tips here: make good contact with the skin. Leave the patches on overnight for at least like 2 hours, allowing the microtips to dissolve completely. Now in the morning, peel off the patches. Continue with your normal skincare routine, including moisturizer, sunscreen during the day. The manufacturer recommends storing unopened patches in a cool, dry place away from direct sunlight. Now, official website here states that users may notice hydration and plumper looking skin after the first few uses, while improvements in the appearance of puffiness, dark circles, and fine lines are advertised to become more noticeable after 2 to 4 weeks of consistent use. The company also offers bundle discounts, free shipping on qualifying orders, a 30-day money-back guarantee, and automatic subscription options. Pricing and promotions may vary over time, but as of right now, if you're going to check the pricing for the product, currently it costs around like $38.95 for a 6-pack here, which includes 12 patches. 8 packs here is like $47.95. 16 packs is going to be $87.95 from the original $299.97. So yeah, that's essentially what the Nova Live Eye Patches is. So since this is a health and skincare product, consulting a doctor or qualified healthcare professional before use is highly recommended, especially if you have any skin condition or if you're taking or using any special ointments or medication into your eyes or especially in your skin, just to be on the safe side. And that involves or that applies for anything that you're applying you into your skin or using in your skin. But that's about it. Friends, video, hopefully hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.